class. First of all, I'm going to share the screen. Here Windows, the computer, all program documents, all these things I told. Again today I will tell once more. So here icons, you all know, the small picture whatever is placed on the computer screen, that is known as computer icon. And here the drive is there. Drive means the computer hardware we can just divide it according to our need, so this is called as drive. Okay, like it is the, so like in our house is taking one entire space, but according to the room we are just dividing the space, so that we all can living together, we all can just be there without interfering each other. So like this way we can separate the drive also. And recycle bin, you all know, so whatever we are just emptying or deleting few things, that is by default storing on the recycle bins. We can restore it from there, otherwise from, if we are going to delete it from the recycle bin permanently, it will be deleted. Okay, so from here much thing you don't have to read, basic things you know. I'm going to show you.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Voice is low.
Low.
Just do
No,
one
ma'am,
thing,
it's okay.
higher your volume of your computer, or it is the net
Ma'am,
problem.
it's fully high.
So here I am just going to
Ma'am, your voice is okay.
see. Just wait for a while. All those things I'm going to show it in the text of screen. Okay, so here
And now you off your screen share.
I off my screen share.
I am thinking that network problem.
Okay, so here you all can see this is recycle bin. If we are going to open it, all the things whatever I don't need right now, all the things are here, that is stored inside this. Okay, so from here we can just delete everything, and we can just use our computer accordingly. Now by default in my computer is named as this PC. I haven't renamed it. Here you can see Windows C, and, D, E, F, G, H is actually external hardware. Up to G is there. Now F is mainly I'm using for my working purpose, and G is my that drive where I am just keeping all the movies, my photos, edited videos, and everything. So I'm keeping songs and everything, means the miscellaneous entertainment purpose. So I have just created this division, so that I am easily able to understand that where I will find my exact what I want. Okay, now my PC, this PC is just by default having some documents. In the documents part, in generally by default everything documents is getting stored. Also it is having few more
Ma'am,
options
if I
like,
want to delete a document, we can go to recycle bin, or where we can delete it.
if you want to delete a document, first of all delete it from here. Okay, suppose I am making one folder to show you. Okay, just how to delete works. Suppose this folder I have made. Okay, A, I'm just giving name A. I want to delete, right click on it, delete. It will be deleted from the recycle bin. You will able to see that it is there. Okay, here many folder name is sorry, a new folder A here. If from here we will delete, here one message will pop up, are you sure you want to permanent delete this file? So accordingly then also you can take the decision. So yes, I want to delete it permanently. Like this way, any files or any documents also you can delete from here. Now what I was telling you, okay, this PC is also by default having some options like 3D object, desktop, documents, download, music, pictures. Like while I am taking the screenshots, okay, all the screenshots are getting stored over here. By the way, I need to just delete all these things. I can just control A, control D, it will be deleted. Okay, because after this class I will have to take the screenshot and I need to send it to ma'am also. Okay, so whenever I will take the screenshot, suppose right now I want to take the screenshot. Okay, see, the screenshots will be automatically saved over here. Okay, now here few more things you need to
Ma'am.
understand. Yes,
Ma'am, in laptop, ma'am, which button press? We will
Windows,
press to take
Off
picture.
PRTC.
Windows
Window
and
or all?
print screen.
Window plus PRT screen.
PRT
Yes.
screen is not written entirely.
I think
PRT.
control shift
C
Z.
written.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, any shortcut key
It is
not there?
depending. What key is
Control
not.
Z.
Now by default, okay, I will tell everything. By default, if you have not set anything, by default, it will be saved in the download file. My download is looking very bad because I never means for many days I have not did anything, any filtering or anything, any kind of things. So this is looking very bad over here. So by default, any download is coming over here. Also, the same thing is for the videos. Okay. Now here these are by default, our PC is providing these things. Only these things is there in your computer. You can just do. But what I will just going to show you, this is needed for your daily purpose. Set your browser accordingly. Okay, so from here where we can just do, we can just go to this, open your Google Chrome. We can just use this from here. And here one thing, while we are buying laptop, we are getting confused as if the Google Chrome is not there, what to do. If Google Chrome is not there, here one Microsoft Edge, this is also one browser. Okay, we can
Microsoft Edge is supporting the Google Chrome.
also from here you can find it.
Yes, ma'am.
Google,
Fire.
google.com.
So easily we can get it.
Easily from here you can just get it. Here sign in is not there. In my case, I think it will definitely take by default sign in. Okay, I'm not signing in from here. So yeah, like this you can configure your computer accordingly to your need. Generally I am working on the Google Drives mostly. Now from here you can set from settings, you can just do everything. One good thing is from for the password, change your password, make your password random, not like that your name, your parents name, your birthday or something like that. Because how to hack, while you are just going to read these things, you will see that people are generally generating the password so that they can easily remember, and it is their relative's name or direct blood relation, someone's birthday, anniversary day. This is so easily they can find out all those things. Now what I'm just going to show you here, all the apps are there. Okay, like YouTube, Play Store, News, Minute, Gmail, Drive. Now important features is Drive. Okay, now from the Drive, here all the folders I am just keeping it safe for my for my using purpose. Right now you can see that NCERT books class 7 you can algebra is getting stored. Okay, so here any day it will come, I will obviously share it with you. So use this thing, use these features. Your documents are also saved, and you will also not lose anything. Also from here, some apps are there. By default, you can see that Google is providing some docs. If you are not, I'm not very much fond of what nowadays. I'm just using the doc mostly. You can see that most of the yes, most of the documents I am just saving from here over here. Not only over here, one more Gmail ID is there in my for my use. There also I am using. Now these docs are very nice. If you are using from phone, you will see that Word is taking much. The Word app, Microsoft Word app, is just taking 69 MB or 70 MB, this much space. But Google Docs, the same same app is there. If you are just using that, it will take much less memory, 15 MB or something like that. So when the app size is very less,
Then how
your
to
work work will be means very efficiently you can do your work. Okay, so here for today we are just going to start the exercise.
Ma'am, that in Google Chrome all the phone apps is
how to
stored
do
there.
screenshot? Then how to do in laptop
Windows plus
screenshot?
PRT screen.
There is also one button
In some computer it
PRT
works
screen.
like all.
Wait, wait, wait.
click double dot. Right. You will have a screenshot.
Windows plus PRT screen. It is the best way to take screenshot.
But in some computer we have to click that alt. We had this thing.
Hit the print screen button or print screen
How
button.
we can take screenshot?
In
In my computer,
The
I can
PRT
easily take
screen button
screenshot.
double time.
Windows plus PRT screen.
Windows plus PRTSC, PRTSC Windows screen you will found if you are sitting beside your computer, you will found it on the last row. Last row, that button is having this same symbol like the start button. Can you see it? Or Windows W like win or something is written over there. Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now go to the top row.
Yes, ma'am.
Top row of your screen of your keyboard, where the function keys are there, F1, F2, F2, like this. Go to F12 screen. Beside F12, exactly on the right side of the F12, means how you are sitting with your sitting with your computer, means beside that one PRTSC. Can you see it? PRTSC.
Yes, ma'am.
Now both
Yes,
the key
ma'am.
by two hands you press together and see. Done. Okay, done.
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
now you just do. Now you just check
Photos.
go to screenshot folder. Off. Keep your side mute. Go to photos. Now how you will go? Go to this PC. Go to this PC. From here you will find out pictures. Okay, pictures folder you will open. Here by default one screenshot folder will come. Open the screenshot. That time I have shown you that how to take screenshot. That folder, that part is there. So here you will able to find out your screenshot. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. I will see that.
Are you able to see that?
Ma'am, but I am trying too much,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
I can't take the screenshot.
You are
Ma'am,
trying.
Windows plus
Yes,
PRT
ma'am.
screen, you have to press with two fingers.
Both the-
Exactly
both
in
the-
one time.
Exactly, both the keys should be pressed at the single time. Means not before after, nothing will work.
And I think that you are not going with the photos. You will not see the directly. You have to go photos and take. You have to take a file and there it is saved.
Yeah, by default, screenshots folder will be created whenever we are taking the screenshots. Like the way while we are just turning the recording on the Zoom, the videos are by default getting stored in our documents. Okay, from there we are just opening everything. Now I'm going to tell you the answers of this chapter. So first of all, first this answer will be hardware. Okay, I'm writing over here. Okay, hardware. There my touch some problem is there, so hardware is looking like this. That what is actually you need to write it together. I hope that this is done. So going to the next page. Next page, here you can see
One time see, ma'am. I can't see.
hardware. Okay, I'm just writing the A1. Okay,
Hardware.
A1 is oh, what is going on? A1 is hardware. A2 is icon. A3 is the taskbar is located at the bottom. Next, A4 is
Documents.
documents. A5 is
This.
of
DHIS. This.
yes. Next, tick the correct option. Operating system. Nothing.
Operating system.
Ma'am, what is right?
The
People will be
will be
pictures.
the icon.
Computer desktop is the main
Icon.
to your computer system.
Ma'am, icon.
How it will be icon? While we
Computer.
are,
Ma'am, what is 5 answer?
this THIS. This will be desktop.
Ma'am, go to the computer icon. You can see there that computer icon is like the main door to your computer system.
Computer
Yes, ma'am, that one.
desktop. Yes. Sorry. The icon means that is this PC, means my case in this
Yes,
PC.
ma'am.
Yes.
This PC.
Okay. So this is your entire answer. Please write it. Next year question answers we are going to start very fast. Complete it.
Ma'am, I can't understand what is the answer of that 5.
This THIS.
Shobhan sir is shouting and I can just listen it by someone kept yourself unmute and your brother or sister is doing the class.
No,
Or
no. Usha is doing the class from school.
Is doing class from school.
oh, why Ucha? Because you have
What
not. Why you are in school?
Ma'am, I think so is the 10.
What?
Doing class.
For doing class. Okay. Very good. Okay, done this part. I'm just clearing this. I'm just going to just open another file. Okay.
Number B. Number B.
Are see na on your screen. Oof. Mane, I can't tell you that what is happening inside. Mane, কুঁড়ে হতে হতে তোরা যে কি হয়ে গেছিস, আলুর বস্তার থেকেও খারাপ অবস্থা তোদের। দেখতেও পাচ্ছিস না ঘাটটা ঘুরিয়ে যে বাদিকে ম্যাম আনসার গুলো করে রেখেছে। Done? Is it done?
Ma'am, we will
Yes, ma'am.
I am just going to going to open another file.
ma'am, we will not be taking answer.
Who has not done? Please check the so from here we will just do I will type the question answer. Okay, let me see how much I can cover by today. 10 minutes are there. First question is, what is operating system and how is it important? So
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
see, oh,
Ma'am, you write only answer because if you write questions, then time will go.
how much time you are taking to tell the answer, I tell this thing, that much time I will take to type this question. How is it? Okay, wait for 1 minute in my room, one big size. Of one guest came. Okay, Bolta today. One.
Ma'am, who came?
One Bolta. I don't know the English of Bolta. Utsho, keep yourself mute.
Ma'am, Uchu wants to give us the experience of school.
Yes, we all desperately want that the school should be resumed. Okay, someone just tell me the answer from your book.
Okay,
Otherwise,
ma'am, I am telling.
tell me.
A set of programs which makes the hardware components to do their work is called operating system or OS.
Not our computers. Important. I'm writing OS in a short form. Okay, so how is it important? So let me see.
Ma'am, we will also write the OS or operating system.
OS.
Ma'am, then we can write it is important hardware components of a computer system are physical components inside the CPU, input and output device and storage devices.
Okay, so first point here you write down OS. OS helping the computer hardware.
Ma'am, it will be connecting or CO double N.
Connecting. Very fast I was typing those things. Today actually some problem is going on. One insect is coming and going. Means I don't know the English of bolta. So I closed my window and doors. Yes, that is why I am just leaving my machine and just moving here and there. Windows open.
Ma'am, non. Bolta English is non.
Bolta English is what?
Non. No even.
Okay, non. I didn't know that. Thank you for sharing. Okay, what is Windows operating system from question tomorrow I will do. Okay, since this is my uh, extra class, I hope that this is done. Tomorrow I will complete this and I will share the
Ma'am,